Hi. I have a 16 gigabyte sized pen drive, but now it's only showing me the size of 2 gigabytes only. I thought to get refund, but somehow I managed to know that this is not Pendrive's fault, and I fixed it. So let's see how. Go to this PC, right click, and manage. Go to disk management. Disk 2 is my pen drive, and you can see it's removable. Here the size is showing exactly 16 gigabytes, but only 2 gigabytes is shown. Rest 13 gigabytes is inactive or not showing. So follow me and let's fix it. I am going to delete the volume of 2 gigabytes. And now the whole size is shown and unallocated. Right-click on it and New Simple Volume. Here I am selecting NTFS. It's better for the USB drive. It's formatting the pen drive and taking time to be done. Yes, it's done. Now it's working smoothly and has shown me the total size it has. Even if you have any pen drive like that, then before replacing it or throwing it away, just do the procedure shown. Hopefully it will work for you the best. Please let me know if you have any question or query about this video, and I will try to help you my best. Hope you subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.